The OnePlus 12 is the next high-end phone from OnePlus, and it's expected to be one of the last new devices this year. OnePlus gave us a sneak peek of the phone's design on Weibo and in a teaser video, showing some changes before the full unveiling in China on December 5th. While the teaser only reveals the back of the phone, it seems that not many things have been changed compared to the previous OnePlus 11. If you're familiar with OnePlus phones, you might notice that the alert slider, a physical switch to change between silent, vibrate, and ringing modes, has been moved from the right side to the left. This change is made to be more convenient for people who play games on their phones. According to OnePlus, the antenna has also been relocated so that gamers don't accidentally block it when holding the phone sideways. The back of the phone still has 4 cameras arranged in a 2x2 grid. If you observe closely, you'll notice a change from the previous model. The bottom right part had a flash, but in the OnePlus 12, there seems to be a small lens near what looks like either a light or a small flash. There's a proper flash position at the top left of the camera block. The circular area around the cameras on the OnePlus 12 seems to be about the same size as the one on the OnePlus 11. However, in two of the OnePlus 12's colors, white and teal, there's a change. Instead of being a shiny black metal, it becomes translucent. The teal color has a pattern that looks like streaks of marble running across the back of the phone. OnePlus mentions that this pattern comes from a photo taken by the phone showing a river delta, connecting to the inspired by nature theme mentioned in the teaser video's title. On the other hand, the white color, as shown on OnePlus Weibo posts, is plain and simple. The black color keeps the shiny black metal look in the camera area, similar to the OnePlus 11. OnePlus hasn't shared details about the phone's features or cameras yet. However, according to a report from Yahoo News HK, it is suggested that the phone might have a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip and cameras with a 50-50 megapixel main lens and a 64 megapixel 3x periscope lens. It's possible that OnePlus will slowly reveal more information to fans leading up to the official unveiling on December 5th. Are you excited about the OnePlus 12? Let me know in the comments section. As always, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.